Hi, it is 62 degrees in Grand Rapids, Michigan. I'm in the garage here, and if you can see it, it is downpouring today. I was going to do a live today, but it's raining and it's thundering at the moment. But this is in the garage. Let me point it down a little bit. I should have put on my shoes a little bit, but I wasn't thinking because I was trying to get like a downpour on camera. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but it's a rumble in the distance. Let me see if I can have the light on here and it'll help. Let me go out to the backyard. Some of the trees. Oh my goodness. Somebody's cooking some spicy food. But here it is, raining in Michigan. Just thought I would Sirens going somewhere today. Yeah, they're still rumbling in the distance. Yeah, I'm not gonna go out any further, but wow. Must be an accident somewhere. Yeah, it's been raining most of the morning today. As you can see far off in between that little white speck right there, that's actually a mushroom. Here's my dad coming in from the store. And I will end it here, guys. Everybody, have a great day. And there's like another mushroom there. Yeah, right where my finger is pointing is a mushroom, and then there's another one over there.